Hey guys, Kaden here and welcome back to Shove It Up Fridays. On the menu we're going to be having roast chicken, pot roast chicken that is, even though I'll be doing it in my Parex dish with white rice, some air fried plantains and some vegetables. So maybe I'll do like lettuce or something like that. So first I'm going to go ahead and create like a base for my chicken. I already went ahead and seasoned that. So this is my seasoned chicken. It's not a whole chicken, it's some chicken thighs and some drums. So I'm just gonna go ahead and slice these. I won't be cutting them too small, so I'll be like cutting them in two. So it's like I'm making like a bedding for the chicken. I won't be just putting it in the pot. I'm going to go ahead and add these Irish potatoes, carrots, some thyme, rosemary, and I'm going to season it before adding the chicken. So I'm going to be using some avocado oil, garlic, onion, ginger, garlic powder, ginger powder, oregano, parsley flakes, and some complete seasoning. I'm not cutting them too small because I don't want them to like overcook. So I'm going to go ahead and place it in my pot right here. So I'm going to go ahead and put them in my pot. My carrots, and I'll also add some garlic cloves, some cloves of garlic, going to go ahead and wash these. Now I'm going to go ahead and season all this. So I'm going to go in with some, first I'm going to use the avocado oil. Go in with my garlic powder, oregano, some my thyme and my rosemary, some ginger powder, complete seasoning. And this is some Jamaican seasoning, so it has pimento, I think pimento, rosemary, some flaked parsley, and I'm also going to add some Maggie. I'm going to mix everything together. And it tastes really good. It's not salty or anything because I do not use too much seasoning. Now I'm going to go ahead and add my chicken. I'm gonna go ahead and put away the rest of the chicken in a Ziploc bag. Put this in the freezer.
Mommy, why?
And I'm gonna use this extra.
Mommy, chicken rice?
Yes. And this is extra seasoning. I'm gonna use it for the broth for the chicken. I'm gonna go ahead and pour it to the chicken. I'm gonna add some more oregano and parsley flakes. I'm gonna go ahead and put it in the oven and let this bake until it's done. So I'm just gonna go ahead, leave it in the oven, let it cook until it is done. So I'm gonna go ahead, while that is going on, while the chicken is in the oven, I'm gonna go ahead, cook the rice, prepare the vegetables and all of that. Rice. All that's added is just salt and butter. This is my rice. I covered the pot. It's on high heat. I'm going to leave it until it comes to a boil, then turn it down to medium. After that, once all the water is out, I'm going to turn it down to low and let it finish cook. So it's going to just simmer. Now that it's boiling, as you can see, I'm going to go ahead, turn the stove to halfway, so it's like number 5, 4.5, and let that cook until all the water is gone. Then I'm going to turn it down. So I'm checking on the chicken. Now I'm going to put it back in the oven. Now my rice is almost done. So look at it. I'm going to go and stir it so you can see it. See? It's already done. So I'm going to leave it on low because I don't want it to get too cold. So just leave it on low and let it keep warm. Now I'm going to go ahead and prepare the plantain to go in the air fryer. This is green plantain. So I like to cut one in 6 pieces. So I cut it first in 3 and then cut each pieces in 2. Because they're green, I'm going to go ahead and add some avocado oil before I put them in the air fryer. Now I'm going to go ahead and add them to the air fryer. here you go, guys. This is it. This is the final results. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you're new, please don't forget to go ahead, hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and leave all your comments. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.